Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So obviously you can tell in the back we are here with the homie Shiny. We're gonna check out his Camaro full drift car and probably go have some fun, kill some tires since we're on private property. So let's check it out. Alright, well, this fool's taking pictures of it. You want to give us the rundown? What you got done to it?
Bone stock LS1 with long tubes, T56 from Shipbird.
Shout out Irv.
Front control arms, whole front end from Zemlock, Zach. Then just from the rear, Umi torque member, all adjustable shit there, control arms, pan hard bar.
What suspension you running?
QA1 coilovers.
You get a lot of angle out of this kit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This thing's locked.
Yeah, it's clean in there.
Not too bad for an F-body.
Just got done with the wrap. Who'd you have do it?
Formula, Nick over there. Designed it like last year. Finally made it happen.
Yeah, it's sick. Dab Squatch Films right there.
Just got the cage done fucking 2-3 weeks ago. For winter's man.
That's tight.
Zach built all that too. Now we're just buttoning up the inside shit.
That's clean. I like the notch out of the door so you can have that inside the door. What hydro you got in here?
This is Chase Bays. This is their old one.
Yeah.
Piece of shit. Fucking.
Ooh, a little wobbly. What dual caliper setup you got?
It's the Duncan bracket.
Yeah.
And just OEM calipers.
Tight. Welded rear?
Yeah, welded with 410s.
Yeah. Or those are short actually. Super short. So what do you be sliding in, second and third?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I put it with the lack of power from the stock motor. Figured re-gear it, get a little love out of it.
You want to pop the hood, show them how stock it is?
Dash back in this morning. On stock, baby.
Oh yeah. Stocko taco. Sure, it sounds good though, huh?
Yeah, it sounds alright.
What exhaust you got coming out the back?
X-pipe, the 2 MagnaFlow shorties, dumped right at the axle.
Okay, right there.
Separated drive shaft.
Blue trans, separated drive shaft. That's the only problems?
That's it. Grenaded the clutch.
It's not bad.
That's all I've had problems with.
He said 10,000 miles of hard track abuse.
Yeah, pure track, never gets streeted.
How long have you had it?
3 years now.
3 years. Okay.
It's been pretty much done being built for like, probably last year. It was like when underneath was done.
Hell
and then
yeah.
this off season we did the cage and the wrap shit to finish it off.
I love this livery. That shit's tight.
And then the sharks kind of colors for my grandpa. So, big sharks guy.
Yeah.
So it's like that.
That's tight. How you like those seats?
Hell nice.
Yeah. Oh shit. Chopping fireball. Rubbing a little bit. That full lock life.
Well, it's fucking from those fuckers moving.
Yeah.
It's like we just made the lockouts on them yesterday. So hopefully no more.
Alright. You want to do some testing out here in a little bit?
We can yank a couple.
Yeah, you got a lot of tread on those back tires.
It's a good sight. It's a rare sight.
For real. Got the good old Cletus McFarland license plate holder. Shout out Cletus. Hell yeah, brother. Now we're gonna go over to some private property, do a couple durnits. Yes, sir. Good shit, my guy.
Good seeing y'all.
Yes, sir. Make sure you guys go follow Shiny Gas on Instagram. Check this out. Pull up to Winter Jam at Sonoma Raceway. He'll be out there killing some tires. But yeah, it's pretty much the end of this video. Hope you guys like the Camaro. Left some dark ones for you. Poker right now. Switch to Sideshow Tone and Eddie's fundraiser event. Playing poker. I got some chips and I'm up right now. I spent like $90 right now, but I got probably like 8,000 in chips. That's like 8,000 in chips, huh? Yeah. All right, so stay tuned, man.
All right, we all in. What you got? Let's flip them bitches. We got 9s and 4s with an ace kicker. 4s. Wait. He won. Nothing. This nigga.
I mean, bluffing hella crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video with Shiny. Make sure you guys go follow him on IG. Check out his Camaro drift build. And like I was saying, make sure you go check him out and come see us slide at Winter Jam, December 17th and 18th. I'm going to be out there in the Fox body killing tires. Quick update for you guys. We are going to throw the radiator in the rear of the Fox body, so hopefully we won't have any overheating issues. There's going to be a bunch of videos coming on that soon. I'm going to go and check out all the fab work and everything that Marcus at Overkill is doing. But yeah, the last couple of videos you've seen that we were playing poker. Sideshow Tone and Eddie were doing a charity event fundraiser for one of the boys' football teams. I forgot exactly what it's for, but it was for a good cause. So I was like, all right, I'm going to pull up and support. Me and Rob came through. It was my first time ever playing poker, and I wasn't too bad. You know, I can bluff, and I got a couple pretty good hands. So I started winning some chips at the end. You seen that I went all in because we were trying to get out of there. But yeah, it was hella fun. I'm going to have to start playing more poker. Usually a blackjack player because I just know how to play blackjack pretty well. But yeah, I'm gonna have to start playing poker when we go to the casino and stuff. It's a lot simpler. It's a lot more simple than I thought it would be. There's just a lot of hands to learn, like royal flush, straight flush, full house, 3 of a kind, pairs, 2 pairs. There's a lot more involved with poker than blackjack, but hella fun. We're gonna have to do that some more. But once again, shout out Tone and Eddie for throwing that fundraiser. I'm always pull up and support the homies doing anything, any type of fundraiser or charity or whatever. Me and the boys are gonna pull up and support, spend some money, and hopefully get the football team to, I think, Florida. That's where they're trying to go. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. And Hellcat update coming soon. We'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.